Hey there, Aquascape Creation friends and followers. Welcome back to another video. Today we have an exciting new project. It's a pondless waterfall with about a 6 to 7 foot stream, and I'm so excited to get into this, so let's get started. So our first stage of this project is getting this wall out of our way, so we're gonna have to demo a part of it just to make enough space for the stream to go down. Then we're just gonna make sure all of our areas are nice and clean to work with, and also map out our basin and start digging it up. As you can see, we're doing quite a bit of digging. It takes about a yard of material to be taken away for the basin to have the sufficient amount of space for the quantity of water that we're going to use. So yeah, we're just going to keep on digging and digging until we feel like there's enough space or that it's clean enough. And as you can see here, they're just kind of leveling it off now and just checking with the boss to see how much more we have to dig. So on this side, we needed a little bit more room, so we're just taking a little bit more out to make some space, and in the end, it does work out and we have plenty of space to work with, so that's a good sign. So now that we have all the space we need, we can start installing our liner and also putting things back in place and actually starting to get to work on this beautiful pondless waterfall. This next part can be a little bit tedious, but it is very important. So we're gonna go one by one installing our gravel and all of our boulders, making sure that they're in the perfect place so that they don't move and don't fall on each other. And also it gives a really good look to it. And you know, we strive for perfection in every single pond we do. You can actually see that we moved a couple boulders because they just didn't look quite right. So we placed them back in a different spot and it looked a lot more natural and it worked out perfectly. So now we're just going to be adding some foam to the rocks so that they don't move and wobble, and also leveling them out, as well as checking the direction that they're in to make sure that the water is flowing in the direction that we want it to, as well as making sure our elevation is where we want it. And now we are going to be adding our pump, and for this pond we are going to be using a 5000 Aqua Surge by Aquascape. And after we have the pump installed, we are just going to be doing a few final touches, making sure everything is in place, and as well cleaning up. And as you can see, those rocks really absorb that water really quick. That's just because of the California heat. It's been crazy, but now you can see our client has come out to check out her pondless waterfall, and she says that she approves, so we're good. And now we're going to be adding some aquatic plants along with flowers and using the gravel to hide any liner that may still be showing and also give it a good rinse. At this point, we showed our client what we installed and how it works. And that will do it for this project. And here is the final look. And that is a great success for another project for Aquascape Creations. We hope you enjoyed watching the transformation as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you and as much as we enjoyed creating it. I want to give a huge thank you from all of us here at Aquascape Creations for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all of our latest projects and videos. For more videos like this, be sure to check out our other ones and also visit our website and follow us on all of our social medias like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And until next time, see you soon.